Okay, the Liquify filter is how you can really change things, and this can get pretty cartoon-like pretty fast. Okay, clothing retouch. Let's make a copy of that so if I mess up this part, I still have what I've done up to this point. So Command J or Control J. There it is. I'm just going to call this Liquify. All right, let me zoom in again. Grab the Move tool. Filter. Liquify. This goes full screen on me, doesn't it? All right, let's see if I can get it back to where you guys can see. There we go. Okay. So, this guy here, which looks like an index finger kind of nudging things, what it does if I hold down the left button on the mouse, that's what it does. It nudges things over. I'm going to hit Command Z to come back. So, for example, if I wanted her hair to move in, use the bracket to this takes a lot of practice to pull this off without things looking like they're dented. Now the complaints as of late, quite valid from models and people inside and outside the fashion world, are when you modify someone's face too much. Okay, you can sculpt a lot. I'm going to hit Command Z, Option Command Z, Option Command Z, Option Command Z, and just keep bringing her back to where she was. Other thing that's fun to use is the pinch and expand. Use the expand tool. Oh, it's a common trick is the lips have, well, you can think of them as 5 circles. 1 in the middle, 2, 3 on either side, 4, 5. If you expand those 4 areas, lips get a little more full. You can do the same with the eyes. You can make the eyes a little bit bigger. Just to bring some more attention. And of course, you can really overdo it. Here's what ends up, this Liquify ends up being really useful. If I use this nudge tool and brush the hair, a lot of times you can kind of neaten or clean things up. Face aware liquify. This is good, but you should experiment with all of these on your own. It's a little bit beyond the scope of this class. Okay, here's where we are. Here's where we were. Before, after, before, after, before, after. And that's the Liquify tool.